Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meerab Shamshad and I am a foundation level student at Jahan School F8 campus Islamabad. So guys, today I am doing my chat GPT. So let's start it. Hello chat GPT, can you listen me?
Hi, I'm here and listening, Mahak. How can I help you today?
Okay, so chat GPT, today I have some questions for you. Can we start it?
Sure, go ahead, I'm ready.
So why is water considered the origin of life?
Water is considered the origin of life because it's the medium where early life processes could first happen. So it's a stable solvent that lets molecules move and interact easily. And its properties, like staying liquid over a wide temperature range and being good
Okay.
at dissolving stuff, yeah, make the
So, okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Meerab, as you know. So, my next question is Chat GPT that how did water help the first living organism survive?
water helped by giving those first organisms a medium to carry simple nutrients and get rid of waste. It kept their internal environment from getting too harsh and it allowed those chemical building blocks.
Okay. So, Chat GPT, my next question is from you is that why is water essential for all living things? What do you think?
हाँ लिविंग चीज पानी पर डिपेंड करती है क्योंकि ये सेल्स को उनका environment stable रखने में without water life can't really keep its structure or function.
Okay, so Chat GPT, can life exist without water?
As far as we know, life like on Earth can't exist without water. Every
What
known
makes
organism.
Okay, so what makes water unique compared to other substances?
Hmm. Water has this special combination of properties. It sticks to itself and to other surfaces, which is called cohesion and adhesion. It expands when it freezes, so ice floats, and it stays liquid across a wide temperature range.
How much of the
So
human body
that
is made up of water? How much is of the human body is made up of water?
Let me check real quick. So, on average, around 60% of the adult human body is water. It varies with age, sex, and body composition.
Isn't it 67%?
Checking again. Some textbooks say about 67%, but modern estimates are closer to 60% for adults.
Okay,
It
so why do
depends
scientists why do scientists search for water on other planets?
because where there's water, life as we know it can exist. So scientists look for signs of it on other planets or moons to understand if those places could support life too.
So how does water support ecosystems?
Aquatic ecosystems like lakes, rivers, wetlands, obviously the oceans, provide habitats, move nutrients around, regulate climate, and basically they keep a huge variety of species alive and interacting.
What role does water play in plant growth?
Water is a raw material for photosynthesis and it keeps plant cells firm, like internal pressure. It also transports minerals from roots to leaves. Without enough water, plants wilt, photosynthesis slows down, and growth suffers.
Okay, so ChatGPT, my next question is that how does water help animals survive?
In animals, water transports nutrients in blood. It helps get rid of waste. It regulates body temperature and it keeps cells functional. Without it, metabolism just falls apart.
Okay, so why are oceans important for life on Earth?
Oceans cover most of Earth and they regulate the planet's temperature and carbon cycle. They produce a lot of Earth's oxygen and they support enormous biodiversity from tiny plankton to the largest whales.
Okay, so how did ancient civilizations develop new water sources, near water sources? Yeah.
Water gave ancient people drinking water, irrigation, food sources, and trade routes. So rivers, galve formed natural highways for transport and communication.
Okay, so ChatGPT, what is the water cycle?
The water cycle is how water moves between the air, land, and oceans through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. That cycle redistributes fresh water across the planet.
So how does rain contribute to life on Earth?
Rain refills rivers, lakes, and soil moisture, which plants and ecosystems depend on. It also supports farming and refills underground aquifers. So, rain keeps freshwater systems alive and usable.
So why is clean water important for human health?
Clean water prevents waterborne diseases, keeps hygiene safe, and supports basic bodily functions. Without it, illnesses spread really fast and health, basically, overall health plummets.
Okay, so my question is that what happens when people do not have access to clean water?
They face higher risks of diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, and other infections. And they also face dehydration and long term developmental problems. And yeah, daily life becomes
Okay,
way more.
ChatGPT, you just said that the diarrhea, cholera, and these are the reasons. So I want you to explain the term diarrhea.
Diarrhea means frequent, loose, or watery stools, usually caused by infection or contaminated food or water. It can dehydrate people quickly, which is especially dangerous for children and older adults or
So how
adults.
does okay, I get it. How does water affect climate and weather?
Water absorbs, stores, and moves heat. Oceans store massive amounts of heat energy and move it around the globe through currents. Evaporation adds moisture to the air, affecting humidity and rainfall. So, water basically shapes weather patterns and long term climate.
So why should we conserve water?
Because fresh water is limited, ecosystems depend on steady flows, and wasting water strains supplies for people, agriculture, and nature. Using it wisely keeps the ecosystems resilient and our health protected.
So what are some simple ways to save water at home?
Well, fixing leaks saves a huge amount. You can turn off the tap while brushing your teeth, shorten showers, reuse safe water where possible, and choose efficient appliances. Small
Okay.
habits, if we each do them, they add up.
How does pollution affect water resources?
Pollution adds chemicals and waste and honestly pathogens into water, making it unsafe to drink, harms animals, and disrupts entire food chains.
So what can students
Cleaning it
do?
up,
What can students do?
student
My question is that what can students do to protect water resources? Like water
students
sources?
can, yeah, students can cut plastic use, dispose of chemicals carefully, join cleanups, and learn about local watersheds, and basically any smart daily choices that keep water clean and available.
So how does water connect different communities?
Water connects communities because we share rivers, aquifers, and coastlines. So, sharing the responsibility for that water can bring people together or sometimes create conflict.
Okay, so why do many languages have special words related to water?
Because water is so central to life and survival that cultures create many words to describe its forms, meanings, and uses.
So how has water influenced human communications? Yeah.
Water has always been a natural route for travel and trade. So, rivers and seas linked different communities, different civilizations, enabling exchange of goods, ideas, and languages.
Okay,
Water really,
why do rivers often why do rivers often appear in legends and folklore?
because rivers are seen as symbolic sources of life, boundaries, they represent journeys and change. They're powerful and they mirror human experiences of journeying and transformation.
So why is water called a precious resource?
It's vital and not limitless. Clean fresh water takes effort to protect,
So
so we call it.
how does water teach adaptability and resilience?
Hmm. Yeah, water teaches adaptability and resilience by constantly moving, changing form, yet still finding a way through. It flows around obstacles, stores energy, slowly shaping landscapes. It's a quiet model of persistence and adjustment.
So what is water, the origin of life and language means to you?
Water, as the origin of life, points to how life first began and how language evolved. People living by water created rich vocabularies
So
and
ChatGPT, that's it. Okay, my last question, that what is the one action everyone can take today to protect water for future generations?
personally, I pick reducing everyday waste. Like fix leaks promptly. It's simple, measurable, and genuinely effective.
Okay. So thank you so much ChatGPT. So viewers, this is my ChatGPT hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़.
God could have it.